Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll show you how to accurately configure and automate freight charges, whether they're based on weight, distance, value, or quantity. From manual entries to smart auto calculations, learn how to streamline your freight setup and avoid common billing errors. So, let's get started. Head to the sale voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Here you will find the feature labeled as Freight Calculation. The first option, None, indicates that the system will not automatically calculate freight charges. If freight is applicable, it must be entered manually during transaction entry. The second option, Transporter Delivery Destination Settings, enables automatic freight calculation based on predefined rates configured for specific transporter and delivery destination combinations. Let's take a look at how this option works during billing. But before we proceed to the billing screen, let's first understand the necessary setup that must be completed to use this option effectively. To begin, go to the Setup Transporters module. Here, you can view the list of transporters already created along with their respective details. Next, go to the Setup Transport Destinations module, where destination names and their corresponding short names have been defined. Then, proceed to the Setup Transport Destination Freight Rates module. Select the desired transporter and click on Refresh. As shown, the system displays predefined details such as destination, freight rate, charge, minimum quantity, and quantity-based charges for the selected transporter. After this, go to the Setup Accounts module and select the party to which you wish to apply these settings. Ensure that the appropriate transporter, destination, and final destination are linked to the party master. Let's go to the Setup Item module. Here, you can observe that we have defined the weight per unit and weight in parameters for the selective item. Finally, let's proceed to the billing window to observe its functionality. Before proceeding with the transaction, ensure that the weight and weight in column are enabled in the Setup column attributes. This step is essential for capturing weight-based freight calculations during billing. As observed, upon transacting the respective item, the item weight is displayed along with the corresponding unit. Additionally, the freight is automatically calculated based on the predefined transporter and destination settings. As the product quantity changes, the software automatically recalculates the corresponding weight and updates the freight charges accordingly.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.